Pagluto set aside natin tamarind extract. So, kayo nang bahala kung anong gusto ninyo, kung maasim o mas maasim, yung talagang kikiligin kayo sa asim at mapapasigaw kayo sa asim. So, pag nakuha nyo na yung timpla, lagay naman natin tong string beans o yung sitaw. Then followed by radish or labanos. And then we have lady's finger or okra. So alam nyo ba, ngayon ko lang nalaman na ang okra palang English doon is lady's finger. E ano naman kaya ang saluyot? Lady's foot? Oh, joke. Papatawa lang. Then, mix them all together. Saka natin ilagay itong talong or eggplant. So, boil lang natin for a minute. Then, lagay natin itong kangkong or water spinach. Saka natin lagay itong chili na pangsigang. Set lang natin in low fire. Cover. And then, hintayin lang natin sandali. Saka natin haluin ulit. So, luto na siya. So, ready for serving. Again, ka-NSTLC, since I'm a nurse by profession and practice, part of my responsibility to you is to share something about health. And I term this as health guide or gabay sa ating kalusugan. Last episode, we talk about the gizzard or balong-balunan. Today, we have the tamarind. So, what are the benefits of eating tamarind? So, sabi nila, the leaves are used to promote wound healing. Modern researchers are now studying this plant for potential medicinal uses or values. Again, I repeat, modern researchers are now studying or pinag-aaralan pa lang this plant for potential medicinal uses or values. The polyphenols or the chemical component present in tamarind have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. This can protect against diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. While the seed extract may also help lower blood sugar, while the pulp extract may help you to lose body weight and reverse fatty liver disease. Again, as I've mentioned, we have to verify and seek advice from our doctors regarding this matter. Thank you very much, KNSTLC, for taking time to watch this video. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Please. And hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified for the next uploaded video. Muli, ito si Nurse Sam na nagsasabing ang tunay lang hapsarap ay nasa pagkaing tatak Pinoy na may pagmamahal. Bye!